My name is David Mackey, and a guy on a job site that I was working with had it in a Chevy Silverado, and because I didn't know nothing about the pedal commander at all, and when I bought my truck, I noticed that they had a lot of lag in the pedal, so I figured I'd give this product a chance.
So David brought us his 2018 Toyota Tacoma. We're putting in a PC-38 pedal commander. First, turn off the truck. Leave your key fob 30 feet away. Open your door and leave it open for about 15 minutes. Jump behind your gas pedal and disconnect the gas pedal sensor harness. Then plug in the pedal commander. Now Dave's all set.
I like it. Do you feel the difference?
I can feel the difference for sure. Yeah, way more instantaneous pedal response.
So now that you've tried the pedal commander, first of all, did you notice a difference?
Absolutely, yeah. As soon as you accelerate, you can definitely tell the difference. There's no lag in the throttle anymore.
Nice. So what are you looking forward to now?
Racing my buddy, because he beat me at his Nissan, so I want to be able to beat him in my Toyota.
Nice. So how are you feeling about it now?
I definitely like the product. I'm looking forward to getting some good miles out of that thing.
What was your first initial thought when you felt the pedal commander?
I wanted to do burnout is what I wanted to do.
Nice. Well, enjoy it, man.
All right, thank you.